Question number 1. What in the curriculum comprises the body of knowledge? A. Learning process. B. Learning content. C. Learning assessment. And D. Learning outcomes. So, number 1, our keyword will be the body of knowledge. Okay? If that is our keyword, the answer for number 1 is learning content. Okay? Content, body of knowledge. Okay? We have different types. We have different elements of curriculum. Okay? Ito na po yung pag nakita nyo po, pag enrolled kayo sa LEAP, at nakita nyo yung aking video lecture na meron akong sinasabi doon na acronym niya ay COCC. Yan, COCC. Yung COCC po natin comprised of yung C, yung CO, curriculum objectives. Tapos yung CS ay courses of study, sometimes called learning content or subject matter. And then yung number 3 po natin ay yung E na isa, which is experiences, learning experiences. And then yung another E is your curriculum evaluation.